Hey, what's up, guys? YouTube video here, and we're at a car show. We're gonna be taking a look at all the cars, and this will be my longest video on the channel so far. So, alright, we're going to go to this one. This is a GTO or a Nova of some kind. I think this is an Speed. Got inside the car, a little motor here, right there. I got this car. Looks like a pick of some type. Got this. It's a pretty cool car. I have a Matchbox car of this one too. Of course, yeah. This is just no hood. We're just gonna be looking at the ones that have the hood up. Alright, it's a Corvette, it looks like. This one has a little motor in it. Some of them don't have hoods on this row, but we'll check out the one. Alright, this one has two videos as well. Alright, got this one. Two-sided hood, nice. Two-sided hood on this one too. Alright, this one has no hood. We're not gonna go the rest of the row because they have the hoods. Some of the hoods are down, and there's a bunch of people in front of it. There's a couple cars here. I'll zoom in on them because I really want that Trans Am down there. I really like that. All right, there's not too many cars here anymore because some of them left. This is a little bit of the glimpse before head goes down. There you go. I'll just be zooming on the I'm just gonna be zooming on the engines from now on, alright? It's a weird car, has blue rims. So we're walking up past. Alright, I already showed you these cars. Alright, those are just normal cars. No hot rods.
He's coming out of that. Lord.
Alright, here's this hood. A little bit if you can't see it. I'm sorry, it's very sunny out. The hood's back here. The engine's back there. The hood goes up. I'm sorry if you cannot see the engine. It is because it's very sunny out. This is my car and my dad's. It's pretty nice. 73 Nova.
I think Billy had my back. School does.
Like I said, there's only 2 more rows of cars. I thought this would be like maybe a 10-minute video. There is not too many cars here. A lot of them got hoods in the back, stuff in the back on this round. This hood. People here. Sorry if you guys are staring at the ground. Let me know in the comments how you guys are doing. Alright, here's a little Corvette here. Couple Novas on the side here. We got a couple was here. No. Those are just normal cars.
But it's under the roof.
When we split up, she's like, I'm not tired of the house. I don't care for
It's a pretty cool car, 47. Hood's up.
Yeah.
Got red rims on here.
Butterfly doors. Why they didn't ask. Suicide doors come this way and come up. Butterfly doors.
A little bit this one, engine in the back. We have a couple more cars on this row, and then the video will be ending there. here with the stripes. It's really cool. It's on the trailer there for someone to look at. Over here. Just a hood scoop just show right there. These are all normal cars. There's one more down the road here, and then there's gonna be. Actually, we have a couple more cars on the next row. Okay. Huh? Okay. Doggy. All right. Far row.
All right, we want to know if those cars get moved up there. There's room down here. Back behind here, you can put 25 cars.
There's that
Let's
Trans
get
Am.
out of there.
All right, this is the last car to show.
If you're not going in the furniture store, let's not park up there, people.
All right, guys, this is the last video here. Last video here. All right, guys.